In the midst of flawless and glowing skin, there is always an array of skincare trends and products to try. Amidst these ever-increasing trends, the magical combination of clove, orange peel, and rose water is one to try. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So to begin, we'll be needing an orange peel. Orange peel contains citric acid that helps lighten and brighten the skin organically. The bleaching effect will help reduce any pigmentation, dark spots, scars caused due to skin infection. Next ingredient is cloves. Cloves helps to remove marks and lightens blemishes. Then we'll be needing a tight spray bottle or glass jar. Next is rose water. Rose water helps to reduce the appearance of facial redness. With its antibacterial properties, it can balance out your skin's complexion and fight against red blotches on your face. In a clean and well sterilized spray bottle or glass jar, add 1 teaspoon of cloves, though depending on the quantity you want to make. Here I'm making the one I'll use for maximum of 5 days. Then cut some orange peel into smaller sizes and add also into the bottle or glass jar. Pour the rose water over the cloves and orange peel, ensuring they are fully submerged. Seal the bottle or jar tightly. Let the mixture infuse for at least 24 to 48 hours. Place it in a cool, dark place for optimal results. After the infusion period, you can go ahead and strain the mixture with a fine sieve or cheesecloth to separate the infused rose water from the clove and orange peel. But I love using mine with the ingredients inside, and I use it for maximum of 5 days. After that, I discard and make fresh batch. If you have watched me from the beginning till now and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please love, consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe. It's totally free, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop new video. Don't forget to like and share before you leave. Orange peel, clove, and rose water, when combined together, work in tandem to tone and revitalize the skin, promoting a youthful and luminous complexion. Beyond their individual prowess, the magic of this mixture lies in its ability to enhance the absorption of other skincare products. So how to use it? After cleaning your face, you can spray it all over your face and allow it to dry up, or take a cotton pad, dampen it with the infused rose water. Gently sweep across your face, avoid the eye area, and be gentle with sensitive skin. Allow it to dry up on your face. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the benefits of the toner. Always ensure a patch test before using on your entire face. Then store in the refrigerator after each use to maintain its freshness and efficiency. For maximum benefit, use the toner twice daily, morning and evening after shower. With regular use, this simple and yet effective natural toner can help balance your skin's pH, soothe inflammation, clear sunburn, and promote a glowing, even complexion. As the age-old saying goes, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and same holds for skincare. Embrace the natural and powerful combination of clove and rose water and unveil a world of wonders for your skin. So lovelies, that brings me to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Share to your friends and family so they can benefit, and leave any question relating to this video in the comment section. Hope to see you in my next video. Stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.